Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Zenitar 85 f1.4 lens that I have. It's a new stock that just arrived. I'm actually a distributor for these Russian lenses in Malaysia. But of course I can also export it to other places as well. So maybe I show you the box first. So the front, the side. This is the back where they show like the high aperture medium focal lens stands. Medium focal distance lens and the usual information. Alright, so open this up. There's a user manual, passport. Interesting. Okay. So you get like this is like a Russian warranty card, something I think it's something like that. Okay, it's like to show that we have checked this. Okay, interesting. Then there is this manual to teach you how to use the lens. Okay. Okay, alright. I put this aside. So let's get down to the lens itself. Alright, so got it out, wrapped in paper. It's pretty compact, I guess, for 85. It's a metal build. Interesting. Special Zenitar cap. This is the lens itself. So this is the front. I should open up this back. This is a Nikon mounted one that I ordered. It's a first test sample for this because I never seen the Zenitar 85 1.4 before. It's a new product of theirs. So yeah. So the front, made in Russia. Interesting. The side. Infinity focus. The minimum focal length is 85. Interesting, there's a lines here. Okay. The blades. Let me adjust the focus so you can see the blades. Alright, so yeah, I look forward to be testing this lens myself. Yep, so if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless, see you.